Oh, you're so cranky. What's up, chicken? Wait. We need to take her out.
Oh, yes, we do.
Oh, what's wrong?
Can you take... Oh, Louis.
Okay, we're going to put some bantam eggs underneath our broody. So we need to... You can hold that.
Yeah.
Hello, cranky pants. Look at you. You big nut bag. Oh,
Put it in there.
no, she needs to drink. There you go. Oh, don't be like that. Okay, so in here we already have big hen eggs, which take 21 days to hatch. So we put those in on the 20th. Now we have bantam eggs, which we're going to put in with non-toxic marker on them.
Of course.
And these guys take 18 to 20 days to hatch.
So hopefully we have it together all
at the same time.
At the same time.
And we've just collected these over a period of days, because they don't, they don't go off very quickly. So, and we'll clean up her nest a bit tomorrow. We'll push those over here a bit.
Yeah, you probably just can actually clean up. Like, take a glove and just...
How's that? Oh, that's just poo. It's all right. Okay, so there we go. And then she'll come straight back in and sit on them.
Look, it's stretching.
Turn it off because it takes too long to upload.
Really? Oh, yeah.